Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, today we are starting exercise 90. Question number 1 of this exercise is, a man bought an article for rupees this and sold it for rupees this. Another man bought an article for rupees 50 and sold it for rupees 65. They are talking about two person. So this is the first one and this is the second one, right? So for the first one they have given, then bought an article for rupees 25. Bought means purchase किया है, so that must be the cost price rupees 25, right? Now I'm writing it cost price 1. For the first person I'm mentioning it as cost price 1 and sold it for rupees. Selling price क्या है for the first person? Rupees 40. I'm mentioning it as selling price 1, SP1. Now for the another man, he bought an article for rupees 50. So cost price CP2 for the second person is rupees 50 and sold it for rupees. Selling price for the another person is rupees 65. Now in the question they are asking what rate of profit is greater and by what percent. So first of all we will find the profit percent of the first person and the second person, and then we will find which one is greater. So let's find out. Now here in the first one, for the first person, selling price जो है SP1 is greater than cost price 1. So profit, and how we will find the profit? Profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. Okay, put the selling price rupees 40 minus rupees 25. This is equals to rupees 15. But they are asking difference in profit percent. So find the profit percent. What is the formula of profit percent? Profit upon CP. Right here. Profit upon CP of first person, multiply 100. Solve it. Profit is rupees 15 upon rupees 25 multiply 100. Okay, rupees to rupees cancel out. 25 fours are 100, 15 fours are 60, right? So this is 60%. This is the profit of first person. Now let's find out for the second person. Second person के लिए find out करते हैं. For second person, selling price is greater than cost price, so it is profit, right? Now find the profit. This was profit 1 and I'm mentioning it profit 2 is equals to selling price minus cost price. Selling price is rupees 65 minus rupees 50. So this is rupees 15. But here we need to find out the profit percent. So profit 2 का percent find out करते हैं. Profit upon CP of the second person multiply 100. Put the values. Profit is rupees 15. CP2 is cost price क्या given है another person के लिए 50 multiply 100. Now calculate it. Rupees to rupees cancel out. 52 are 100. So this is 15 multiplied 2 is 30%. Now which one is greater, 60 or 30? Of course 60 is greater. So first person has gained more profit and how much? Find the difference. 60% minus 30%. 30%, right? This is your answer. This is very simple. First of all, you have found the profit percent of the first person, then second person, and then simply you have checked which one is greater. First was greater and how much? 30%. This is your answer. Now let's move to the next question. Next question is, Samir bought 1600 bananas at the rate of rupees 3.75 a dozen. एक डोजन का प्राइस गिवन है. सो अ डोजन मीन्स 12 बनानास का कॉस्ट कितना गिवन है? रुपीज 3.75. एंड हाउ मेनी बनानास समीर हैज़ परचेज्ड? 1600 ना. सो 1600 बनानास का कॉस्ट प्राइस फाइंड आउट करते हैं. सो फ्रॉम 12 फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड फॉर 1 बनाना इज इक्वल्स टू 3.75 divided by 12, and for 1600 bananas multiply it 3.75 upon 12 multiply 1600. Remove decimal, put 100 in denominator. Zeros to zeros cancel out. 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So this is equals to 125 multiply 4. So this is rupees 500, right? So we can say that this is the cost price of 1600 bananas. Now let's move further move करते हैं. He sold 900 of them. मतलब total bananas कितने थे? 1600. टोटल बनानाज में से he sold, सेलिंग प्राइस कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं अब हम, 900 बनानास. 900 बनानास सोल्ड किए हैं, ठीक है. किस रेट पर? 2 बनानास फॉर रुपीज़ 1. ओके. सो पहले 1 बनाना का फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं. 1 बनाना is equals to rupees 1 divided by 2. 900 bananas rupees 1 divided by 2 multiply 900. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 0. So this is equals to rupees 450, right? ये 900 बनानास का सेलिंग प्राइस है. सो मैं इसको सेलिंग प्राइस 1 लिख देती हूँ, राइट? इतना क्लियर है. नाउ इन फर्दर लाइन दे सेड एंड द रिमेनिंग अब 1600 में से आप 900 सेल कर चुके हैं. कितने रिमेनिंग है? ऑफ कोर्स 700. 1600 में से 900 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, 700 रिमेनिंग है. एंड दे सेड, क्या बोला है? 700 को किस रेट पर सेल किया है? सेलिंग प्राइस इज एट 5 for rupees 2. इट मीन्स 5 बनानास फॉर रुपीज 2. 1 बनाना फॉर रुपीज 1 के लिए क्या करते हैं? डिवाइड कर देते हैं. 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 5. 700 बनानास मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं, ₹2/5 मल्टीप्लाई 700, 5 1 5, 5 4 20, 0, 14 2 28, ₹28 and then 10. So this is selling price 2. इसको सेलिंग प्राइस 2 मान लेते हैं बिकॉज ये रिमेनिंग बनाना इसका है, राइट। नाउ कॉस्ट प्राइस इज दिस फॉर 1600 बनाना, 1600 बनाना इसका है कॉस्ट प्राइस। तो क्या हम सेलिंग प्राइस फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं 1600 बनाना इसका? यस, इस सेलिंग प्राइस को और इस सेलिंग प्राइस को ऐड कर देते हैं, 450 प्लस ₹280. So the selling price of 1600 bananas is ₹730, right? So this is your selling price. Now what were they asking in the question? Question में क्या पूछ रहे थे? Find his gain or loss percent. So let's check. Okay, check करते हैं. So here cost price was 500, selling price is 730. So selling price is greater than cost price. It means कौन सा केस है? So profit. Okay, क्या हो रहा है? Profit हो रहा है. And how would you find profit? Profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. सब्ट्रैक्ट करिए, सेलिंग प्राइस इज ₹730 माइनस कॉस्ट प्राइस इज ₹500. So the profit is 730 minus 500 is ₹230. This is the profit. But in the question they were not asking profit, they were asking profit percent. So find the profit percent. Profit percent is equals to profit upon CP multiply 100, right? So profit is ₹230. What was CP? CP क्या था? Let's check it. CP was 500. So put 500 in denominator, multiply 100%. Now 0 to 0 cancel out, rupees to rupees cancel out. 5 4s are 20, 5 6 are 30. So profit percent is 46%. This is your answer. Next question, question number 3 is a woman bought 50 dozen eggs at ₹16 a dozen. It means 1 dozen eggs का cost given है which is ₹16 and we have purchased how many eggs? 50 dozen eggs, right? So 1 का given है and we are finding for 50. So multiply them, 50 multiply ₹16. 16 5s are 80 and then 10, right? So total cost price of 50 dozen eggs is ₹800. Clear? This is the cost price. Now read the further statement. Out of these 20 eggs, students, if you have observed in first statement they were considering the eggs in dozen, but now they are considering in number of eggs. Okay, so for selling price के लिए पहले हम 50 डोजन को eggs में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं. 1 डोजन का मतलब क्या होता है? 12 eggs. 50 डोजन का मतलब क्या हुआ? 12 multiply 50 eggs, right? So this is 600 eggs. Now read the statement. Out of these 20 eggs were found to be broken. 20 eggs टूट गए थे. So remaining eggs कितने हो गए? Remaining eggs कितने हैं? 600 eggs में से 20 were broken. So we left with 580 eggs. क्या बोला है इन्होंने? He sold the remaining eggs. It means जो 580 eggs हैं उनको सोल्ड किया है at the rate of 1.50 rupees per egg. So selling price of one egg का selling price कितना given है? Rupees 1.50. Selling price of 580 eggs कितना हो जाएगा? Multiply them. Rupees 1.50 multiply 580. So when you will multiply them, you will get rupees 870, right? So this is the selling price. Now we have selling price and cost price we already have calculated. What were they asking in the question? Find her gain or loss percent. Okay, gain और loss percent find out करना है. So selling price greater है cost price से. So this is the case of gain, right? तो क्या हो रहा है हमें? So it is gain. And how we will find the gain? Gain find out कैसे करेंगे? From selling price subtract cost price. Selling price is rupees 870 minus cost price is rupees 800. So gain is rupees 70. Gain कितना हो रहा है? Rupees 70. But they were asking gain percent. Gain percent will be gain upon CP multiply 100%. Put the values. What is gain? Rupees 70. CP is rupees 800 multiply 100%. Rupees to rupees cancel out. Zeros to zeros cancel out. This is 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. 35 divided by 4. Let's divide it. 4 8s are 32. Subtract. Put decimal, take 0. 4 7s are 28. Subtract 2. We already have taken decimal, so we can put 1 0. 4 5s are 20, right? So what is your answer? Your answer is 8.75%. This is the gain percent. Next question number 4. Peter bought an article for rupees 1215 and spent rupees 35 on its transportation. So students, you already know that the cost price is the total money which we spent on that article. Okay. So cost price will be जितने में आपने परचेज किया है rupees 1215 plus transportation charges rupees 35. This will be the cost price. Now add them. It will become rupees 1250. This is the cost price. Now in the further statement they said at what price should he sell the article? It means selling price. They are asking in the question to gain 16%. Gain percent they have given 16%. You know the formula. If cost price and gain percent is given, you can directly find the selling price. What is the formula of selling price? Selling price is equals to 100 plus gain percent upon 100 multiply CP, cost price. Put the values. 100 plus 16 upon 100 multiply rupees 1250. Now simply solve it. 100 plus 16, 116 upon 100 multiply rupees 1250. 0 to 0 cancel out. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. Now 2 5s are 10. 2 8s are 16. Now selling price is equals to rupees 58 multiply 25, and when you will calculate it, you will get rupees 1450. This is the selling price. Next question, question number 5. By selling a chair for rupees this, it means this is the selling price, because sale कर रहे हैं ना rupees 30 पर. So selling price is rupees 30. A dealer makes a profit percent they have given, profit is 25%. What price did the dealer pay for it? हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है कि डीलर ने कितना प्राइस पे किया आर्टिकल के लिए. इट मीन्स द कॉस्ट प्राइस, and you know the formula of cost price if selling price and profit percent is given. 100 upon 100 plus gain percent, or you can say profit percent और gain percent same ही होता है, multiply selling price. Put the values. 100 upon 100 plus gain percent or profit percent is rupees 25 multiply selling price is rupees 30. Now solve it. 100 upon 100 plus 25, 125 multiply rupees 30. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 25 4s are 100. So this is 6 4s are 24 rupees. This is the cost price of the article. So students, today we have discussed from question number 1 to question number 5 of exercise 9D. In next class, we will start with the question number 6. Till then, keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.